How safe are PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, and CashApp? Are you using PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, or CashApp but uncertain about their safety measures? Dive into the intricacies of their security features and understand how to better protect your online banking accounts. When it comes to digital wallets, certain safety features are a must-have. Prioritize apps with two-factor authentication, payment notifications, fraud protection policies, and wrong payment safeguards. Ensuring your data privacy is equally vital for a secure experience on these platforms. PayPal, a trusted choice for money transactions, prioritizes user safety by utilizing encryption technology. Buyers enjoy protection against scams, receiving refunds for damaged or undelivered goods within 180 days. Sellers are also supported with seller protection, combating fraudulent activities efficiently. While PayPal offers robust security measures, users need to be proactive in safeguarding their accounts. Strengthen your defense by setting a strong password and activating two-factor authentication to fortify your account's protection. Ready to step up your digital wallet security? Explore more safety tips and insights on our website, whatismyip.com.